So I just wanted to let you know that I have got a new morning retreat taking place on the 27th of February, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about it. But just before I do, I wanted to ask you a couple of questions. Are you used to putting everyone's needs before yours? And do you feel like you desperately need time to unwind? Do you want to feel refreshed and energized? Well, if you do, I've got you covered on this morning retreat, which is in Keynsham. It's going to include gentle mindful movements and stretching to ease out stiffness, which is one of the new classes that I've been doing recently. It's been very popular. And a deeply soothing guided relaxation to help calm the body and the mind, putting you into a peaceful sense of stillness. It's going to have some toning exercises to strengthen the body. And you'll always be encouraged to do as little or as much as you like. There's going to be a mindful walk in the beautiful countryside where we can enjoy the bird sounds and hear the light rustle of the wind in the trees. If you can't walk too far, don't worry, it's just 25 minutes each way. And we'll be doing a meditation as well, alongside a lake where you can gaze into the lake, see the reflections of all the trees around. And you'll have a chance to connect with like-minded people. So this is happening on Sunday, the 27th of February from 9 until midday. We'll start off at Fear Hall for the movement part, for the stretch, tone and relax part, which will finish about 10:15. Then we will drive to either Stanton Prior area or Newton St. Low area, which is near Bath. Then we'll do the walk there. And on the walk would be very walking mindfully. And when we stop halfway, we'll do a beautiful meditation near the lake. And then we'll make our way back, and then we should be back at the hall. So we plan to leave the walking part about 12. So we should be back at the hall, driving back at 12:15. So there'll be the opportunity to car share as well. So if you're interested, please do let me know. You'll need to bring a yoga or Pilates mat, but don't worry if you haven't got one, just let me know and I can bring one for you, a drink and suitable footwear for the walk. So if you're interested, drop me a message or send me a text, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day. And if you've got any questions, please do let me know. Take care. Oh, before you go, actually, one more thing, which is some reviews from the last retreat that we did. So this is the review from Julie, who came on our last retreat, which was a day retreat. She said, thank you for organising and facilitating a lovely, rejuvenating, relaxing day. Very grateful for the company of all the other participants and getting to know you all better, sharing the knowledge and experience. Feeling blessed to have beautiful people to share the yoga retreat with. Namaste. So if you want to join us on the next one, I'd love to see you. And this is Sandhya signing out. Speak soon. Bye-bye.